Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Jimmy Henderson again, cognitive scientist, metaphysician, author of the latest book, Understanding Metaphysics, Using Psychology to Better Understand Metaphysical Experiences. As I mentioned earlier, from time to time, I'd like to put videos relating to the book, sections of the book, onto this site as well as other sites, in the hope of giving you some more information which you might find useful. Today I'm going to discuss the one aspect I discuss in the book, which is called the universal collective mind. As I said, I do use science and psychology and metaphysics I combine them to introduce you to the idea of the universe being formed and linked to the actions of a universal collective mind, being formed actually within this mind by the power of intention and conscious energy. And in our own existence, I link to that of a universal or great soul, which is also formed from this one source of consciousness. So in the book, I do explore this in quite depth. I actually show how this idea of a single mind reality isn't completely strange or unheard of. It's actually been supported by quantum science. I give quite a few quotes from quantum science to show this, and by quantum scientists who actually believe that the universe is in some way conscious. And if it is the case, in a conscious universe, everything would be conscious to some degree, and this explains how we experience consciousness in our world, to different levels. All living beings sharing in this one consciousness to varying degrees. Okay, so the advantages of being plugged into this universal collective consciousness, of course, is that it explains many spiritual experiences and events which we do not understand. For example, this is just one case I'm going to give you now, which is that of telepathy. If we're all connected at a very deep subconscious level, then it'd be very easy to communicate with one another as long as we're on the same wavelength. In other words, we have to then access the deeper realms of the mind, reach the state of collective consciousness, and then we'll be able to communicate and as I show you later on in the book, receive information from higher sources. So I want to encourage you, if you've got the time, to have a look at some of these videos and read some of my articles on my website, www.discoveringyourself.co.za, and also get yourself a copy of my book from Amazon or from Fiona van Rensburg at Portal of Alchemy. She's got some hard copies there, which she'll be very happy to share with you. Thank you.